Okay, so I definitely have a head cold going. I look like ratchet right now. I don't look good right now, but we're gonna just go with it. But I'm in Winnemucca, Nevada right now. I am at this cute little coffee shop that I would walk to when I judged the Silver State Finals here. And I think 2021 was the year that I did it with my girlfriend Jill and a couple other really great people. But just getting some coffee. It's about 10 o'clock on part 2 of our road trip into Las Vegas. So let's get our coffee.
Hi, everybody.
There's one thing that we go hard at on a Monday night, first night in Las Vegas, it's this. It's bowling. This is your for a rebel one today. Just need everyone to know that right now, Taylor and I are trying to keep our streak alive of our friend streak on Duolingo because we both just got that warning, but we're actually doing what right now?
We are putting on a 10-team bowling league.
In Vegas. So we're pretty much professionals. I've watched 10 air balls. 10 air balls? How about gutter balls? I've watched 10 gutter balls so far. What team do you think's gonna win?
I think one of the far end teams.
Yeah, I think the teams on the far end stand a good shot. I also think the worst team is potentially Pink Pony Club. Or this blue Hawaiian shirt club. Honestly, if you dressed in a theme, I think you're gonna lose.
Sisters is losing.
But we look sharp. We look real sharp. I'm going back to my emails.